Greenwhich Lifesciences, ticker symbol GLSI, has had an absolutely amazing day so far. Yes, it's been pretty volatile, but let's look at where it's been trading in today and what's going on with this stock. The previous close was around $23 per share. We saw it trade all the way up to $50 per share today, and now it's back down around the $35 mark. So let's talk a little bit about what's going on with this stock, what's causing this move, and whether or not we should have it in our portfolios if you don't already. Now, if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I'm here to make this the best year ever. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do me a favor. We're going for that 10K. Subscribe to the channel, become a bro, and let's grow this channel together. All right, so let's talk about GLSI, Greenwich Lifesciences, a little bit about what they do. We know that they're being traded heavily today. The volatility is there, and we've really seen this stock price soar, but it's pulled back down a little bit. Is it time to get in? So this is their most recent announcement, and this is what's causing the drive higher today. It says that Greenwich Lifesciences, the company, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on the development of GP2, an immunotherapy to prevent breast cancer recurrences in patients who have previously undergone surgery, today announced the hiring of Jay Thompson, PhD, as Vice President, Clinical and Regulatory Affairs, to oversee the upcoming GP2 Phase 3 clinical trial on a full-time basis. All right, now look, that's an absolute mouthful, right? Now, this is what's causing the drive higher. They got this Dr. J in there, and people are excited about it. Why? He's got experience. I'm not going to bore you with all the statistics, but he's got over 30 years experience doing this kind of stuff, walking through FDA approvals, and taking companies and their clinical stage biopharmaceuticals to the next level. And that is absolutely what they can see here. Now, look, I'm not a scientist, I'm not a doctor, so I don't know everything about how many different stages and phases all of these drugs have to go through before they get FDA approval, but I know that they've passed on through stage phase 2B, and now they're headed into stage phase 3. So this is obviously big news for this company, and they've got somebody with a lot of experience manning this project now, leading it, and they do believe that they can go for that FDA approval. It was amazing to see some of the results that I was reading about how, you know, the breast cancer didn't come back in these patients for over 5 years. They were able to stay clean from that cancer, which is an absolute amazing thing in itself. I mean, we know that cancer is an absolute terrible thing that really destroys the lives of a lot of people, and it's no surprise that there's a lot of companies out there trying to cure this and really moving forward with it. But here on this channel, we're here to point out the biggest movers in the market and whether or not these stocks are something that we should have in our portfolio. Now, I do believe that this could be an excellent opportunity for a couple reasons. A lot of biopharmaceutical companies are very low priced. They're penny stocks. They're stocks that have been beaten down over the years, and they've gone from, you know, thousands after all of their splits, thousands of dollars a share, and now they're trading at 10 cents a share, right? Everybody's always excited about getting into penny stocks, but this is not the case. The stock was at $23 on Friday's close, and now it's all the way up to $35 per share. Yes, after pulling back from that $50 per share mark. But look, that's expected. A lot of pharmaceutical companies, when they announce next stages or when they announce people coming in, you know, they will jump 200, 300% in a day, and it's not even unheard of if they've got FDA approval on something, or if they've got some big announcement, that they can even jump 1,000% in one day. Now, those kind of stocks really depends. Look, it takes a special kind of investor to hold a stock that jumps 1,000% in a day, or even 200% in a day, right? You have to be a speculative investor if you're willing to hold that and if you're willing to invest in it. Now, I think that Greenwich Lifesciences could be an excellent addition to anybody's portfolio. You don't have to be a speculative or aggressive investor to do that because it's got a proven track record, right? We're not looking at a stock here that's trading in penny stock range. They're at the $25 to $35 level right now. They've got the volume, and they're going higher on not only great news for the company, but on higher volume as well. So this could be an excellent opportunity opportunity for us to add it to our portfolios if we don't already have it in there. Now, what are we going to look for? It's a little bit late in the day, so if you want to add it to your portfolio today, make sure that it's rising as you add it, okay? If you add a falling stock to your portfolio, and I know that today was a great day, yes, but look, watch that high. We had that high around $50 per share, and it's pulling back a little bit. You know, we need to find a little bit of support before we go ahead and add it to our positions. If you're going to wait until tomorrow, what do I want to recommend? Let's wait until maybe 30 minutes to an hour after the open to make sure that we have some follow through. And if it doesn't open higher, if it opens lower, we want to see it bouncing up or rising as we add it to our portfolio. Because look, I know a lot of people disagree and they want to add falling stocks to their portfolio because they seem cheaper and this and that and all that stuff. But if you add a rising stock to your portfolio, what's it likely to continue doing? It's likely to continue rising. And I know a lot of people don't like to use stop losses out there, but of course, if you add a stop loss to it, or if you add a take profit to it, you're likely to hit that take profit, or you're likely to at least get a stop loss on there at break even if you get into that position and you make money right from the start. Now, I know a lot of this channel is about stocks like AMC, GameStop, Sundial, big movers and fast movers, and of course, Greenwich Lifesciences is a big mover right now. Do I think that these gains are going to continue at this pace? Probably not, okay? We've got the big news out there now, and a lot of people like to trade the news or trade the rumor and then sell what's actually happening. So if we see this stock start to settle off or level off, it could be a good long-term hold as well, especially if we see this drug continue to go through the phases and finally reach FDA approval. Now, if you're already heavy in the biopharmaceutical area, or if you've got some pretty risky stocks in that area, I know Jaguar Health and some other stocks like that are very popular, and they're also in the biopharma space. You might not want to add it to your portfolio if you're too heavily weighted already in the biopharma space. You want to make sure that you always diversify just so that you don't have to worry about one thing happening. And I know a lot of people right now are pretty heavy in GameStop and pretty heavy in AMC. So this could be a decent opportunity to diversify your portfolio a little bit by adding ticker symbol GLSI into your portfolio and just seeing what happens with it. It could be an excellent long-term play, and especially once the volatility settles down a little bit and we see this stock hit some support. Now, I want to know if anybody in here was able to capture these gains today. I absolutely love it. I did not have GLSI in my portfolio. If you did, let us know in the comments below what price you got in at, if you were able to take advantage of all of these gains, or if you're out already. Let us know. Start a conversation down there. And guys, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button. Subscribe to the channel. We got videos like this every single day. You're going to get some of the best movers out there and some new trading opportunities, and really just following along what's happening in the market. And if you're brand new to trading, there's an awesome deal down there with Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. You can click on that link in the description, and you're going to get a couple free stocks just for setting up your account and then funding your account as well. So make sure to check that out. And guys, if you want to share this video, it would really help me out. We're going for that 10K subscriber mark. So if you tag me anywhere at Claybro, I'd love to follow you guys back and really see what everybody's interested in investing in. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.